Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At meron tayong collective love reading after so many years. Ang tagal na, no? So, tingnan natin ano yung energies ng connection mo at ng iyong person. So, tandaan, ito ay isang general reading lang, no? So, dito magre-resonate para sa lahat. Just take what resonates. So, bago tayo magsimula, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga zodiac signs, no? Na maaring para sa kanila tong reading na to. Mga stronger signs. We have Scorpio. Ayan. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Libra. And Aquarius. Scorpio, Libra, Aquarius. Ayan. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. But doesn't have to be naman exactly, no? As long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So let's see the recent past. Knight of Wands. Okay. So, merong nag-withdraw. Ibig sabihin is parang hindi na nag-e-effort. Parang bigla na lang wala nang pake. Okay. I think this person, no, uh, medyo dumidistansya. Kasi busy siya. Meron na siyang ibang, pinagkakaabalahan. Oo, nako. Ayan, nag-move on na. So, itong energy na to, pwedeng reversal ha. Kasi recent energy to. Pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. Okay? So, meron ditong umalis. Or, ano siya, parang, yung parang, bigla na lang nang iwan sa ere. Ganon. Oo. So, pwedeng ikaw to, nang iwan ka sa ere, or, yung person mo. Ano ba yung lumabas kanina? Scorpio, Libra, tsaka Aquarius. Ay talaga naman, 'di ba? Kasi I feel like busy to, maaring nung time na may connection kayo, excited siya, pero ngayon nabaling na sa iba yung attention niya. Pwedeng tao, no? Yung napagbalingan niya ng attention niya or yung ibang let's say career niya, trabaho niya, meron na siyang ibang priority. Ayun. Yun lang. Okay. Current energy. What is the current energy? What is the current energy? Oh, someone is in pain. Naku. Deep emotional pain. Na parang may may halong gustong maghiganti. The lovers. So, maaari ring may energy rito ng um, aside from Libra, tsaka Aquarius, meron ding Gemini. Lakas rin ng Gemini. Someone here is disappointed, masama ang loob, galit. Dahil umasa siya eh. Pwede ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. So ngayon, magkakaalaman tayo. Magkakaalaman tayo kung sino ba to. Pero syempre, this is a general reading. So, pwedeng mag-reverse yan. Okay. Now, let's see. Ano yung feelings ng person mo ngayon? Ano yung feelings ng person ng collective? Eight of Wands. Slowing down talaga. Reverse to eh. Yung iba, you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Kasi ang King of Wands kasi meron tong reputation na yung parang may pagka-lover boy, lover girl na gano'n. Yung tipong passionate, parang mabilis siyang mang-excite ng person, pero mabilis din siyang umalis sa eksena, ganon. With the Ace of Cups, reverse, time for reflection. So, I think there is something na kailangan mong i-reassess sa situation mo. Or, I think, yung person mo, no? Kasi, pwede kasing mag-reverse. But anyway, this can be a Leo. Feelings niya kasi is parang nagwi-withdraw siya or parang dahan-dahan, unti-unti, dumidistansya. I feel like may nagbago sa attention niya. Nagbago yung focus niya. How about you? What's your energy towards the relationship? 5 of Swords. Okay. Lack of direction. Oo nga. I feel like alam mo sa sarili mo na parang walang direksyon yung patutunguhan tong relationship na to. Maaring itong person na to, naramdaman mo na parang hindi siya sincere sa'yo. Maaring may mga tinatago sa'yo. Parang you feel like, oh, okay. Parang ang hirap naman na sumugal sa person na to. 3 of Wands, reverse. Yeah. I feel like pareho kayong pareho kayong nagwi-withdraw sa relationship. Because you feel like parang sa una lang exciting yung relationship ninyo at na-realize ninyo na walang future. Ay, parang lumilipad yung mga walang future. Oh my God. Nagliparan yung mga cards. So, tas 7 of Wands. Oh my God. 9 of Wands. Trinayin nyo naman. Trinayin nyo namang i-work out itong relationship na to. But, you feel like parang hindi na siya worth it. Ang isa sa nasira dito, trust. I feel like your person is someone na parang maraming connections, friends, ganyan, na maaring nagiging reason para magselos ka, or, pag-isipan mo yung person mo. And I feel like your person also, ayaw niya na pinag-iisipan siya ng mga ibang bagay na parang walang tiwala sa kanya. Ganon. So, parang ang nakikita ko dito is una lang naging exciting yung relationship, yung connection ninyo. And habang tumatagal, maaring nagiging possessive kayo sa isa't isa. And then eventually, ayaw nyo yon pareho. Yung attachment masyadong nakakasakal. Okay, so let's see, where is this relationship going? So, saan papunta to? May pag-asa pa ba? May pag-asa ba? Where's this relationship going? The Fool. Freedom. Oh. I feel like palalayain nyo pareho yung isa't isa. Kasi gusto nyo pareho na yung yung the type of relationship na meron kayo is something na merong beneficial relationship, something that is also passionate, something na talagang masusustain ninyo na you will keep going. Oh, unhealthy patterns. Oh my God. Unhealthy patterns. The devil. No, naging toxic tong relationship na to. 5 of Coins. You also feel na hindi worth it na mag-invest sa relationship na to. And some of you, ayaw nyo na kino-control kayo sa relationship. That's why it's a no-no. Okay, tinan natin yung mga messages. Like, gustong sabihin. Ano yung feelings, message ng person ninyo? Ano yung mga message na hindi nasabi ng person? ng collective. Parang wala na. Okay. What is that vibe surrounding you that makes me feel intensely passionate? So it means that, yun nga, gaya na nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, nandun lang yung excitement nung time na you are clicking, but the moment na nawala na yung excitement na yon, naging boring na. Or maaring dun na nag-start yung conflict na parang bakit nawala na yung intensity ng relationship ninyo, meron bang may iba na ba, gano'n, hanggang sa naging toxic na. O, 'di ba? Oh my God, there's an obsession. I think I'm obsessed with you. I think about you all the time, stalk your socials, and hope I run into you when I'm out. Yun lang. Pag naging obsessed kasi sa isang relationship, dyan na, siya dyan na madidevelop yung toxic environment. Will you listen? There's so many things I want to say to you, but will you hear me all the way out? Will you believe me? Oh, ayun na nga, trust issues. Kasi maaring merong pwedeng isa sa inyo yon, no? Reversal yung roles, okay? Pwedeng ma-reverse, but pareho kayong hindi na pinakikinggan yung explanation ng isa't isa. Kasi meron na kayong sarili nyong gustong paniwalaan. Oh my God, oh. Is that my negativity keeping me away from you? So, pareho kayong negative. Oo. So, syempre, pag 'di ba opposites attract? So, magre-repel talaga yan. Oo. So, mukhang ang nakuha nating energy dito is yung relationship na parang mabilis na na-develop or mabilis nag-click and eventually hindi na sustain yung passion, yung intensity hanggang sa naging boring, hanggang sa naging toxic yung relationship. And I feel like, eventually kailangan nyo na rin talagang, to go out of your way and have your own life, uh, to be free. Ayan. Okay? So, that is your reading, collective. I hope nakapagbigay to sa inyo ng clarity sa inyong situation, no? So, of course, lang to, general reading. So, kung gusto niyo magpa-private reading, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Check nyo na lang yung information. Okay? So, thank you so much and I'll see you again. Bye!